For our next video, I'd like to explain the use of the multi-icon feature in the setup menus. So if I select the settings menu, skip login, and advance the screen up to the multi-icon, you'll see there's three parameters here. So multi-icon is intended for situations where you got more than one icon in a pharmacy. We have some future enhancements intended for this tab, but right now the only feature of it is something we call VA Echo. For the Veterans Administration uses the icons in an application where they tend to put two icons in a control vault where you have a technician filling prescriptions and you have a pharmacist verifying prescriptions. And so the one icon is used by the technician to fill the prescriptions, and it acts like a server in that it sends the prescription data to the other icon. And so then when the pharmacist scans the label on the prescription vial, the icon will look it up, and all the data for that prescription would have been sent for the first icon to the second one. So now the pharmacist can recount the pills to make sure the correct quantity and drug is being dispensed for that controlled substance. So for this parameter, we've got just a few settings here. The VA Echo to turn it on. And so this would be turned on only on the first icon, the one used for the technician for doing the initial count. The second icon would just be enabled in the PMSS mode using the icon native interface mode. Next, you would specify the IP address of the second icon. Typically in this application, the icons aren't actually hooked to a network, they're just hooked together. So you just hook a standard Ethernet cable from one icon to the other, and they're not actually connected to their network. So you just manually specify any IP address. You can use 1.1.1.1 or whatever you want to use on the other icon, and then you'd key in that one here for this icon so it could send the data back to that one after you fill each prescription. The next is what port number you want to send the data to on the other unit. So this port number would have to match whatever the other icon's port number for the listening port on the TCPIP tab is set to. So once I set that up, every time I fill a prescription and press finish, this icon, being the technician icon, would send all the prescription data, being the quantity, the drug, and the prescription number, and a unique order number over to the other icon in order to have it be aware of what's supposed to be filled. Because the other icon won't have the stock bottle to be scanned, but it will be able to look up that information based on the barcode on the prescription vial. So that is all of the current usage for the multi-icon tab. There are some future usages planned that would allow one icon to echo out data to another icon for situations where the pharmacy system is not capable of sending data to multiple icons. That is a future enhancement plan for the product. That concludes our explanation of the multi-icon tab.